You know, when you just can't get out of bed. That's me right now. Oh, okay. I'm gonna get up, I promise. I'm up, I'm awake, and it's time to walk the dog. I am tired, is an understatement. Ready for a walk? Saf, you look cute. You look cute. Should we go for a walk? This is what I look like. You ready? Do some washing up so I can have some scrambled eggs. Making myself eggs. I just did it. I'm using it. No? It was on the side of the sink. I just guessed it was yours.
But still, it shouldn't have been by the sink.
That's your brother for you. Think you're funny. Your mum don't love you.
You have to be a man this morning.
Oh, I dropped my fork into my food. Ah, it's, you know when it's a thing. No, it's just mushroom and sweet corn at the moment.
Mushroom. They smell nice.
Mushroom always smell nice. Fucking hell, that's loud. What do you mean, is it done? I've done it.
No, I said is it. I said is it done. Why would you say what do you mean is it done? I've done it.
I did it. Did you do it? No, I did it.
5, 10 or 10, they can eat some food and then we can train.
Let's see.
That's the one though, I swear that's the, no, that was the coconut. Is it coconut?
No, it's not coconut.
Oh, because I call it coconut on my ear line, it's smelling great.
I found it.
If that's good, because that's literally, it's on my list. Cheese, I need to buy some. I didn't think if there's any dairy free ones. They wrapped it well, probably smelled bad.
Ready?
Oh, I know, what's it?
Oh.
Smell? There's no bad.
I think it's going to be the...
Not that bad. Better than normal cheese.
I'll attempt it on some of the omelette.
put it in a container when you put it in the fridge.
Yeah. No, but I mean like to eat this and
what?
if the smell bad.
No, I don't think that was a problem when I had it. I think you just didn't like the smell of it in the fridge.
Put a little bit on.
Because I need to stop that out of my angles.
Look at that. I did not flip it, but when I went to take it out of the pan it crumbled a little bit, but hey ho. So ready for this. Maybe a bit of YouTube, who knows. My brother's actually going to go and collect an order from Superdrugs for me, my younger brother, so that I can do a full face of a brand that's a collab with one of my friends, Jess again. But I'll let you know what that is closer to the time. I feel like it's coming out on Wednesday or Friday this week, so yeah, you'll know very soon. Look at the tired little baby. Okay, you tired, sir? You want to sleep? Tired? I devoured that. That was really good, really good. And the cheese was actually all right, you know. I should have melted it a little bit longer, but it was nice. You're right there, girl. Want to go sleep? Tired? I've had a bath. I have filmed one of my drawer collections, so now I'm going to be filming Hocus Pocus. And this is what my setup looks like. Now it's hard to show you. All my lip liners, brushes. I've done a full face of Barry M. My brother's just going to go and collect the last couple of items. I've got 2 baskets for my January makeup buys. And then I have a Colourpop haul, which I'm very excited for. And you will have seen all of these this week already, hopefully. Guys, I literally just filmed with the Hocus Pocus palette by Colourpop. I absolutely love it. I kind of did like 2 different shimmers on the eye. So this eye was, what shade was that? It was that middle shade on the top row, that one. And then the middle shade, no, actually, Tis Firm. So it's the second row, the second shade from the top. That is on my right eye. And then for my lips, I'm using the Colourpop lip liner in Flattered and the lipstick, which is just got all gunk around it, in Bitchet. And I think I'm absolutely in love. And guys, I hit pan on Wisp. I actually hit pan and I proper love this, but yeah. Gonna have to get another one of those. So yeah, that is what I've been doing. I'm gonna film my Colourpop haul now, my January buyers haul, and then I'm gonna wash this off, hopefully do a full face of Barry M, or tomorrow, Tuesday's video. Tomorrow, Tuesday. Well, Tuesday's video, which is a blue look with loads of gems. So yeah, I've got a lot of filming to do, but I thought I'd catch you up. Guys, the mess that is around me is insane. This is all from my January makeup buys. Look at this. I've even got stuff down here. It's a lot, but I'm just going to put all this away. I need to check my collection because one of Alex's Patreon is selling some Colourpop palettes. So I'm going to check that I haven't got them. And then, yeah. I think I'm going to take this off, film another video, do a Colourpop haul, and then my brother's going to go and get me my Barry M stuff so I can film a full face of Barry M.
Alright, look straight. You're 5'9", Alex.
No, I'm not. Why are you crying? Wait, that's cheating. I'm not 5'9", I'm 5'10". You're 5'2". You didn't do it properly, I don't care. No, you didn't do it properly. Bro, I'm there. I was looking down at him.
Yeah, because that's what you do. You look down at 5'7" people.
Huh?
You look down at people who's 5'7".
No, 5'7", like 2 inches.
Yeah.
And in the aftermath of my Colourpop haul, you guys best go watch that video because there is a little giveaway in there. And if you want to know what I'm giving away, go watch it. But again, the aftermath. Over there is the aftermath of my monthly haul. So yeah, I think I need to start getting clearing away, and then my brother is actually going to work out with my other brother, so I will be editing today's video, which is what is it today? Oh my god, what am I? It's my pigment drawer, so I'll be editing that. I need to clear up all these swatches, so yeah, I will catch you in a bit. So I have all my Colourpop goodies in there, some Primark stuff that I need to put away. This drawer here is going to be Colourpop. I'm donating the largest drawer in my collection to Colourpop. And then all this here is Colourpop. Sorry, my dog is having fun out there. So we're going to do that. I'm going to put you in the drawer so you can watch, and then I'm actually watching a bit of One Tree Hill as usual. You will not stop seeing One Tree Hill until I actually finish watching it. I'll show you a little Superdrug order that I just did. My brother actually went and got it for me. I literally needed 2 more products for my full face of Barry M. So I bought the Unicorn Elixir, which is a primer, and then I bought a powder. I actually need a bronzer, but realised in my Velvet palette I have a bronzer. So yeah, I now own a full face of Barry M. So we're just gonna get into this little video. And remember guys, if you want to win this palette here, then you need to go and watch my Colourpop haul and see how to enter and win. I'm thinking maybe I'll have a row of the monochromatic palettes, then I'll put the bigger palettes in the corner, keep my lips in this corner here, but I'm thinking maybe I can put you in the drawer so you can see. Let's see. I think that might actually work out. So let's get all my little monochromatic palettes out first. Just put them right here, and not just monochromatic but like the 9-pan ones. So I've got more 9-pans here. Not sure what order to put them in yet. I think I might put Hello Kitty at the front just because it's the smaller one. Wow, that is a lot of monochromatic palettes. Then we can put like the bigger 12-pan palettes here. I think they're 12 or 16-pan. I can never remember. Hold on. Yeah, so the 12-pan palettes will go just behind. And can you believe I started 2020 without any Colourpop items, and now I have enough to start a drawer. So yeah, let's put these here. I have another 12-pan palette up here, so we'll put that there. What else have I got? My Into Bloom, forgot about that, so that can go here. I have my larger palettes, but I think I'm literally just going to lay larger ones down in the corner. I'm going to put the Garden Variety here. Yeah. Oh my god, Steph, come on then. Come on, girl. Freak me out, girl. Forgot you can just push open the door. Sandstone palette. It's an absolutely stunning palette. Gonna put that behind. Can you still see? Yep. Then I've got the Brunch Date palette, so I'm going to put that behind. So we've got the Hocus Pocus and the Disney one, so I'll put that just in front of the designer one. Not designer. 12-pan Garden Variety palette. I've got the Through My Eyes palette. I think that can go behind. Yeah. Fade into Hue palette. So I'll show you in a minute where I'm putting my massive palettes. Over in this corner. Ooh. And we've got these kind of sizes. I think again, they're just going to go into one. Maybe right at the back. Okay. And then as the collection grows, I feel like this would have a bit more. Put a Hue palette here. I want that palette, I think it's called It's All That. Okay, so that's all from that drawer. I got 2 highlights. The one that's hit pan is Wisp, so I'm literally just gonna leave that in the corner. Then another one which is Lunch Money, put it next to it. The Luxe glosses I'm literally just gonna leave to the side. You know what, I'm gonna go and get a pot. I get one of these pots, and I think I'm gonna put in like lippy sticks that are in boxes. Just keep them together until I do want to throw away the box. I got 5 of these 5-pan palettes, which I think I'll literally just leave at the front here. And that's it. I thought I had so much more Colourpop than this, but I do have more coming. So this drawer is ready for expansion. So I've got my 2 cups, the gloss set, which could go over here. Yeah. So the gloss set, some lippy sticks, 2 highlights, my big palettes in the corner, and the rest of my palettes along here. Now I'm going to edit tonight's video, wash off my makeup, and get ready to film my full face of Barry M. Look at me all looking all fresh faced. I am... That's what happens when there's a house full of people. Well, siblings. Anyway, I am going to film my next video. I've literally just edited and uploaded tonight's video. So that is... What video is that? No, it's not that. It is my pigment drawer, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. I am going to now film a blue look with a blue XX palette. So next time I'll see you with blue everywhere. Guys, this is for Tuesday's video. I used the XX palette. I used some Revolution Pro glitters. I was going to use gems, but that would have just taken forever. What do you think? This is definitely different for me. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just... Wow. I got some tidying up to do now. I forgot to show you that I actually just ate the best lamb in the whole wide world. And as you can see, I'm messy now. I got chips. Chips with burger sauce. Oh, I'm so full. Me and my partner usually share that. We both get a lamb and then we share a small portion of chips. While I watch a bit of Catfish. What? I bet it's an advert. Of course. Just downloading footage onto my laptop. Getting ready to like delete things off my phone because there's a lot on my phone at the moment. It's time to say goodnight. So I will see you in the next one. I really hope you enjoyed today's vlog. They're getting shorter and shorter, but I do hope you like it, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.